guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today we picked out 3 of our favorite Asian hairstyles because
we just got a new distributor in Vietnam.
Before getting to the first video, we also have the giveaway and a secret gift in the end of this episode, so hang on.
Hairstyle number 1.
And for hairstyle number 2. Get out of the camera.
Hairstyle number 3.
And to get your hands on the giveaway, you just need to pick your favorite hairstyle, one of the 3. You write down below, give it a like, and also the secret gift of this episode is the Vilain comb.
Alright, and also we'd like to say hi to all of you who are watching from Asia and especially here in Vietnam, since this episode is dedicated for our new distributor, Backhead.
Thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time.